Assalamualaikum my students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your holidays at home. I'm Amna Naz and I'm the teacher of pre-prep and today I'm here to teach you maths. So let's learn maths with me. So what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn number 1. Number 1. Let's read with me. This is number 1. 1. And can you tell me how many things are there? There is only one sun. One sun. One sun. Repeat with me. One sun. Have you ever seen on the sky? How many suns are there? There is only one sun on the sky. आसमान पर कितने सन होते हैं? One. And stars कितने होते हैं? There are too many stars on the sky, but there is one sun and one moon on the sky. Okay? And as you can see, we have only one nose. How many nose we have? We have only one nose. All of you, touch your nose with me. One nose. One nose. And what is this? This is your one. One sun. One sun. Now, let's move towards our books and we will read number 1. Okay students, this is your book, maths book. Now, open your book and open page number 7. Open page number 7. What is this? This is number 1. One sun. One sun. One sun. Now, we will learn a very interesting rhyme regarding this number 1. All of you have to sing with me. Okay. One sun up high, one sun up high, shining in the sky, shining in the sky. Bright yellow light makes our world bright, makes our world bright. This is how you will learn number 1. Okay, my dear students, what we have learned today? We have learned number 1. Number 1. And now we are going to do the writing practice of number 1. अब हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं? अब हम number 1 लिखना सीखेंगे. And let's have a look on the board. As you can see, there is a slant line, standing line and a sleeping line. Slant line, standing line and a sleeping line. Okay students, now we will move towards our books and we will do the practice of number 1. Okay students, we will do the tracing with the color to make it more beautiful. First of all, you will trace slant line, standing line and a sleeping line. Repeat with me. Slant line, standing line and sleeping line. By tracing these lines, you will make number 1. What you will make? You will make number 1. Again, do the tracing with me. Put your pencil over this dot and make sure your pencil lead should be sharp. Your pencil lead should be sharp. Put your pencil over this dot. By joining these dots, you will trace a slant line, standing line and a sleeping line. What is this? This is number 1. Again, trace it with me. Slant line, standing line and a sleeping line. अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम 1 की ट्रेसिंग कर रहे हैं. Put your pencil over this dot. By joining these two dots, इन दोनों dots को मिला के आप क्या बनाएंगे? Slant line और उसके बाद standing line and then sleeping line. ये हमने क्या लिखा, क्या ट्रेस किया है? Number 1. Number 1. Again, do the practice with me. Slant line, standing line and sleeping line. And make sure Your tracing should be very neat and clean. Slant line, standing line, and a sleeping line. Again, trace it with me. Slant line, standing line, and sleeping line. Now we are going to do the practice independently. यहाँ पे हमने tracing की है, but here we are going to write independently 1. अब हम इन 3 dots को join करके 1 लिखेंगे. First of all, by joining these 2 dots, you will make a slant line. आपने इन दोनों dots को join करके क्या बनाना है? Slant line. और उसके बाद make a standing line like a 1. You will make a standing line and then a sleeping line. This is how you will write number 1. What we are going to write? We are writing number 1. Number 1. Now again do the practice with me. Slant line, standing line, and sleeping line. What we are writing? We are writing number 1. Which number is this? This is number 1. We are writing number 1. Repeat it with me. Slant line, standing line, and sleeping line. Again, slant line, standing line, and sleeping line. हम क्या लिख रहे हैं? हम लिख रहे हैं number 1. Do the practice with me. Slant line, standing line, and sleeping line. This is how you will write number 1. Number 1. Which number is this? This is number 1. Okay, my dear students, now we are going to color in one apple. One apple. We will use these 2 colors, red and green. First of all, you will make a boundary line and make sure your color should be in the picture like this, and white space should not be seen. Okay? Make a boundary line first. And don't go out of the picture. This is how you will make a boundary line. First of all, you will make a boundary line like this. Now, making these strokes, you will make a strokes like this. You will do the coloring in one apple. What we are going to do? We are coloring in one apple, and make sure white space should not be seen. White space नजर नहीं आनी चाहिए और आपके जो कलर हैं वो भी पिक्चर से बाहर नहीं जाने चाहिए. Okay? Your strokes should be in one direction. आपके सारे strokes एक directions में होने चाहिए. And make sure white space should not be seen. And this is how you will fill the color in apple like this. You can see how it is interesting. I'm enjoying by doing this color. I hope you all also enjoying. Do it with me. Yes, it's very interesting. Do it with me like this. Yes, as you can see, we are almost going to finish it like this. Yes. Okay, this is how you will complete your apple. Now we will do the color in leaf, green color. Again you will make a boundary line like this and fill the color. Yes. Which color is this? This is green color. Red and green. We are using red and green color. And here we will use brown color. Okay. As you can see, we have done it with the color. We have, first of all, we trace the number 1 and then independently we write here number 1. What we have done today? Today we have done number 1. I hope you enjoy to write the number 1 and do this practice at your home.